Hi everyone, we're back to another Chelegance video. Today we've got a quick unboxing and overview of this adapter site. Two adapters that let you convert between 3/8, 24 and M10 threads in either direction. If you work with ham radios or mobile antennas, this little accessory can be really handy. Let's check it out. We've got two adapters, each for a different direction. One converts M10 male to 3/8 24 female, and the other converts M10 female to 3/8 24 male. You can see the machine and finish, a nice solid metal body. Zoom in, you can see the threads clearly, and the build looks really solid. So, why these adapters helpful? Many mobile or vertical antenna bases use 3/8 24 threads, while some antenna whips or sections use M10 threads. Without this adapter, you'd either need a different mount or have to mess with the threading, which can be a hassle. Using the right adapter avoids mismatched connections, keeps everything fitting nicely, and helps prevent single loss or losing, which is especially important if you are on the move. This little part really makes sighting up your antennas simpler and more reliable. Let's say you've got a 3/8 24 antenna mount and a M10 threaded whip. With these adapters, you can easily connect them. They fit securely and make your setup more flexible. One adapter connects a 3/8 24 female mount to an M10 male whip, and the other connects 3/8 24 male antenna to an M10 female mount. Basically, whatever combination you've got, these adapters make it easy to connect your antennas without having to change mounts or equipment. If you are doing vertical or mobile installations, they're super handy. They save time, cut down on extra costs, and keep your mount intact. Wraps up our unboxing and quick overview of the two pieces sent to you 3/8 24 2M10 antenna adapters. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, subscribe for more antenna and radio gear content. I'll see you in next one, 73.